Hi everyone. Early in the new year, the Council will consider options for the future of the Redhouse. The building is currently in ownership of Merthyr Tydfil Housing Association, but a report will be presented to full Council with a recommendation to bring this much-loved building back into public ownership. This will give councillors the opportunity to secure the building's future for the benefit of the community. We want the people of Merthyr Tydfil to be confident that its long-term future is a priority. In some exciting news, we recently held a competition to name the Glebeland site. We had around 200 entries, so thank you to each and every one of you who took the time to make a suggestion. I'm delighted to announce the new name is Riverside Plaza. The winner, Layla Louise Jones, age 11 from Pendarren, will receive a £50 We Love Merthyr gift voucher. Well done, Layla. A reminder that the new eagerly awaited indoor market at St Tydfil Shopping Centre opens tomorrow, Saturday the 13th of December, and I can't wait. Phase 1 of the opening will see the existing stallholders move down from their current location, with new businesses joining them in the new year. Later phases will see the addition of Sunday trading, nighttime markets and app ordering for the food outlets. We're heading into the last week of our budget consultation. So if you haven't already done so, I just wanted to encourage you one last time to have your say. Your views are important to us and will help shape the future of council services. Finally, we've had several weather warnings this week, so I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all our staff who work hard to keep you safe and keep the county borough moving during challenging weather. As always, your efforts are hugely appreciated, so thank you. I'll see you all next week for our last update before Christmas, and it promised to be an exciting and different one. Have a great weekend. Diolch.